to be wanting to know what the consumer, or what the doctor in our case, what your end user, what their experience is like, what else they want to see different, which could change not just based on research being different than reality, but also time changes. What I needed a year ago may not be what I need now, and we need to stay on top of that.
Makes sense. Stay relevant, right? That's good. Okay. Questions? Yes.
So because you had to do a lot of upfront design on the screen, when you actually got to the point where you had them start developing, did things not work? Because then if you have to go all the way back through the regulatory process, you're kind of back into a corner. So how do you deal with that?
Well, I made sure that Steve knew what our intention was for each tracker, and as soon as we kind of got the foundation screen done for each tracker, and then drilled down into the various other screens within that tracker, we kind of were all on the same page that it would function and it would probably be a good interface. So there was definite communication going on between DID and Chariot. When we would take it to the client, we would explain things, if they do want to change something in legal or regulatory, this may take us back to the drawing board because you can't just change one button and not have it affect everything else. And we kind of set the stage pretty well. It was almost like we were anticipating what they were going to say or what problems they might bring up. And I think our client was a really great advocate on our behalf because they would sort of flag things prior to us getting in there that might pose a problem, and we would always be prepared to answer the questions from a functionality standpoint or a design standpoint while we were in the legal meeting.
Okay.
So.
I think from an implementation point of view, we kind of set the tone early on as to how the user would flow through the app. So again, it was a lot of